welcome back to the second half in this match between Khlihmawlih and Selsella Sports Association. The score here is 2-1 in favor of Selsella Sports Association. Khlihmawlih, they came into this match looking for that, starting off the match well enough, looking for that goal. They did find the equalizer, but then went down once again. Last minute of the first half. Selsella there taking the lead once again in this match. It will be interesting to see the strategy both teams apply in the second half. Khlihmawlih will want to start this game by putting on all the pressure. They look for an early equalizer. Selsella will be looking for another goal for themselves as well and take a comfortable 2-goal lead. But let's see how things unfold in the second half. And here we go. All set for yet another exciting second half in this match between Khlihmawlih and Selsella. Selsella have been the stronger team in this affair so far, they still find themselves trailing. They've had more possession than Selsella. More chances, more shots on target. But still a goal down. Foul now for Khlihmawlih. Will be a free kick from a very interesting position. They'll fancy their chances from here. Several players around the ball. Who will be the one to take it? It will be number 4, Don Cooper, Marngar, with the free kick. Sorry, it will be number 7, Lenny, who's going to take that free kick. He'll fancy his chances from here. He'll look to put the ball into the back of the net. He doesn't take the shot. Shot taken and saved. Chance still there. But again, fantastic goalkeeping there. Two chances there and then the double save. Khlihmawlih trying to make an impact, trying to change the dynamics of the game early in the second half. Now Selsella has an opportunity. And another good save at the other end. Khlihmawlih, goalkeeper now coming into action. Now, foul called. Back-to-back action in the second half. Once again, an exciting start. Similar to how the game began today. Now, Khlihmawlih tried to create something but gave away the ball. Foul called. Now, Khlihmawlih have a free kick. Shot taken, an ambitious one. Goalkeeper Jack Marak making no mistake. He's had a busy day. But boy, has he dealt with it, and dealt with it well. Called into action on several occasions, there for his team where it mattered. And still continuing to do so in this match. Selsella losing the ball once again. Now regaining it. Can they hold on to it? Now, can they build something on the left? Goes out for a throw-in. Selsella know the importance of adding another goal. They know that a 1-0 or 1-goal lead is not enough in this tournament, as we've seen before. Number 15 there. He seems to be injured. Bante Malot, helped there by his teammates. Now we resume play. Long ball there, looking for the player. Offside called. Waltzing there. Selsella has just not controlled the game. They haven't held on to the ball for too long. But still find themselves leading in this match. Now, chance there. Can he take a shot? Still there, pass it down to the left. Once again, well defended and out for another corner. Substitution. Fourth corner of the match for Khlihmawlih. Tossed into the box. Headed! And just about missing. Chance there for Khlihmawlih. But not on target. Defender taking the goal kick there. Handball. Selsella looking to start quickly. Now, Khlihmawlih trying to create a chance, dribbling past the players, but nothing came out of it. They still have the ball though. Number 4, Don Cooper. Oh, that was a stunning chance, and it's in the goal. It's a goal for Khlihmawlih. How on earth did that go in? Absolutely stunning shot taken out of nowhere and goes into the back of the net. 2-all here. It's all 11 again. Everything to play for once again in this match. Khlihmawlih find an opportunity and take it. Selsella now on the attack, down the right, looking to cross the ball into the middle, chance there. A lot going out, a lot going down in the middle there. Now, Khlihmawlih have the ball. They can create a chance. Out for a throw-in. They still have the ball, looking to take the lead now. Now crosses the ball into the middle. Ball not cleared away from danger yet, but offside called. Flag has been raised. What a stunning strike that was. So Khlihmawlih's second goal of the game. Long range effort. It's hanging in the air for a bit. Now chance there, Selsella. But goalkeeper makes a good save. Still 2-2 here at Chanmari ground. So for Selsella. Khlihmawlih have about 10 shots on target. Crossed in. Chance there. Still there. Could this be? A whole lot of chaos there in the middle. The referee heads down to his assistant. Card shown there. Number 14, Marngar. He's shown the yellow card. Clear there, arguing with the referee. That's the second yellow card of the game. Shown to the man with the brace, Marngar for Selsella. Now Selsella on the attack. An offside called. Khlihmawlih, they know that they have a chance to take all 3 points away from this game only if they find another goal for themselves. Once again, ball with Khlihmawlih. Number 7, dribbling past players. Lenny there. But Lenny couldn't do anything. Selsella defense clearing that out. Not taking chances. Khlihmawlih still with the ball, still doing threatening. Shot taken! Yet another good save. Goalkeeper Jack has been a savior for his team today. Yes, he did concede another goal, but it's still all level here. 2-2. Ball goes out of play. Dealing with that well. Kintu with the pass there. Not managing to keep it in. Khlihmawlih still looking for the gaps. Still looking to build and create a chance here. Yes, there is a chance here. He just couldn't hold on to it. Perhaps if you'd have just taken a shot rather than trying to control it first. He received it onto his weaker foot. That's why he was trying to control it there. But a little too late. Defense came into the action and cleared that away. Goal kick to Selsella. Once again, the defender taking the goal kick. That was awful. He couldn't keep that in and didn't know where to pass. Selsella have to cut down on the mistakes they've been making. They've been forced into making mistakes, you know. Khlihmawlih been constantly pressuring them. Troubling the defense with waves of attacks. Forcing them into making a few mistakes and giving the ball away too cheaply. Now, there's a chance again. Flag has been raised. Maybe an offside. Selsella, they know they can't sit back and take this onslaught. They'll have to regroup, defend well, if they want to take anything away from this game today. Shot there, couldn't control it. They have a large crowd here today. Support. Khlihmawlih still have the ball. Will he pass the ball on the middle? Goes now to the right. Well controlled. Tried to cross the ball into the middle, but out for a throw-in. Khlihmawlih, they've been relentless in this second half. Still pushing, still looking for their third goal. They have a sense of belief that they can do it from here on. They have been the better team so far. Substitution there. Number 16, Silingston Sangma coming on. Number 20, Tengsu Sangma coming off for Selsella. Captain Colonel with the ball. Offside. The player knew it. Yeah, it's offside. Once again, the game seems to have slowed down, very much like the first half. Now, Khlihmawlih with the ball. Given back to Khlihmawlih. No problem for them in regaining position in this match. They've dealt with the pressure. We're trailing twice in this match, but they've come back now to make it 2-2. Hovering around Selsella's box, crosses the ball in. Another corner for Khlihmawlih. It'll be interesting to see how Selsella's defense deals with the pressure now. Couldn't keep that in. Wasted corner. Referee calls foul for handball. There's a lot of time left in this game. What more do we have in store for us? Will there be more goals, more drama? Let's see how things unfold from here on. Long run up. Takes a shot. Rather weak one. Straight to. Now Selsella with a chance yet again. Keeper comes out and clears that away. Could have been their third. But dealt well by number 22, Khlihmawlih. Still look threatening on the counter. Selsella Sports Association. Made the most of their limited chances and got 2 goals from it. Still very much in the game. Everything to play for. Ball back with Khlihmawlih. To the middle. Looking for options. Trying to pass it down to the right. Some pushing and shoving there, but ball gone out of play. Khlihmawlih with the throw-in. Into the middle. Khlihmawlih still with the ball, still trying to add pressure. Looking to take the lead. As usual, they've been troubling the defense constantly. Ball there in the box. 2 players coming in. So Khlihmawlih. Throw in. They've had absolutely no trouble in holding on to the ball. Now, could this be? No. Selsella players have to be more lively, have to be more energetic. They don't want to concede another goal. Ball crossed into the middle. Goes up in the air. But the keeper takes it into his arms. Does well there for his team. Fumbled a bit, but managed to hold on to the ball. Goalkeeper Jack Marak once again in action for Selsella. As mentioned, Khlihmawlih, they don't want 1 point from this. They want to win. They want to regain the position on top of the table in Group D. They want to continue the winning momentum. They started off strongly in this tournament. 7-1 victory in their opening fixture. Followed by another win in a low goal scoring affair. And now 2-2 here against Selsella. Free kick for Khlihmawlih. So number 4 there who's about to take it. Once again a grounded shot. Could this be a chance? Now Selsella, can they create a chance? Looks to cross the ball in. Still there. Gone out of play. Will be a throw in favor of Selsella. Ten minutes remaining in this match. What more will we get to witness? I did mention that this could promise to be an exciting clash, and it has lived up to its expectation. A match filled with exciting moments so far. We've seen 4 goals so far. Now, chance there! Once again, goalkeeper Jack Marak with a flying save. He knows he has a lot to do. They want to take anything out from this game. Now, chance there from Selsella. Goalkeeper comes diving in and makes a fantastic save. Player goes down, thinks he's been fouled, but referee not looking into that. Goal scorer there, Maldron. Selsella. It'll be interesting to see what they do from here. Will they try to run down the game with the current scoreline, or will they look to attack? Beautiful to see such a nice crowd out there. Crowd coming in numbers to Chandmeri ground. Tura. Still a lot to play for. Will we see a thrilling end to this game? Now Selsella, they have the ball. Offside called. Long ball. little bit of confusion there. Before goalkeeper Jack Marak comes out and makes a save. Some strict refereeing there. Some referee rolling Marak. Not taking any nonsense on the field. Rightly calling out fouls. Yet another free kick for Khlihmawlih. Now ball crossed into the middle. Chance there. Couldn't make the most of it. Interesting strategy to play the ball down to the right. Still there. Still looking for a breakthrough. Not to be. Yellow card shown for that push. A rather strong one. Number 7, Lenny with the foul. Who I think is the foul on the captain, Khlihmawlih. Yes. It is Captain Khlihmawlih. He's been solid at the back for his team. Now chance for Selsella. Gone out for a corner for them. Will this be an opportunity? Will they capitalize on their chance? Crowd is all excited. Crossed into the middle. A lot of options available, but doesn't find the player from Selsella. A foul called. 5 minutes remaining in this match. Will there be another goal? Will we see an upset? Or will it end with the current scoreline here in Tura? Selsella holding the ground. Good firm defending. Now chance there. Can he? No, he cannot reach the ball. Goalkeeper gets there in time. Plays the ball forward. Options are available. Plays it down to the right. He'll be looking to cross the ball in. He doesn't. Loses possession. Now Selsella have the ball. Running down the right. Crosses the ball in. Defender there reading the ball, heading it away from danger. Back with Khlihmawlih. Chance there. Defender could have made a hash out of things over there. Foul. Given to Khlihmawlih. All that attacking and still haven't found a goal to take the lead with. Now on the counter again, Selsella. Can this be opportunity? But goes out. Clear chance there for Selsella. They think the keeper got a hand to it. They think they deserve a corner. It did look like the keeper got a hand to it. No, it will be a goal kick. They have been absolutely brilliant on the counter. Caught Khlihmawlih napping on several occasions and took their chances. That's why it's all level here. They are not going out without a fight. They also won that win. They know the importance of all 3 points. '89th minute of the match. Almost into extra time. Both teams getting stuck in it.
Second half ni sumoy ko rada piya kini minute kini na.
And going into extra time. Both teams with 2 apiece. Will there be some late drama? We did see Selsella take the lead in the dying minutes of the first half. Now they have the ball with them once again. Selsella. They're looking for the player in the box. Takes a shot. And into the hands of the keeper. Selsella coming in flying, looking for that late winner. Showing what they are made up of. Dealt with Khlihmawlih's pressure through the game. Managed to hold their nerves. They've been on the back foot from the very first minute. But have taken their chances. Offside there. And that's it, folks. It ends
Sumoy waha. Final score.
2-all here
Khlihmawlih
at Changmeri ground,
Club
Tura.
2, Selsella Sports Association 2.
Khlihmawlih 2, Selsella 2.
Nibak nali salsa ko dum thai
Both teams take a point away from this game.
Nali salsa warima youth club William Lagar baksa atong magkrik bakmara kalang skagen.
Maldrin Malik there with a brace for Selsella. But it was that man, Jack Marak, the goalkeeper, who kept them in the game throughout. Made some stupendous saves. Was there when his team needed him. What What a game he had. Hats off to his heroics. And here are the highlights of all the action that went down in this Group D encounter between Khlihmawlih and Selsella. And that was the first goal of the game. Maldron with a stunning kick. Now Khlihmawlih coming back with an equalizer. Some good and awkward saves there by Jack Marak. Got injured on several occasions, but didn't back down. This was a clear chance yet again. And this was Maldron's second. Beautiful goal. Lovely footwork. Dribbled past the players. Slotted into the back of the net. This was a stunning kick. Could have been the goal of the tournament so far. And number 4, Don't Kupai. Another stunning shot, another stunning save. And that was a wonderful goal from an extremely difficult angle. Hitting the bar and going into the back of the net. Selsella had a couple of late opportunities. Tried their best to take the lead. And Selsella were brilliant on the break with their counterattacks. Had a chance to win the game late into the match. And not to be. And that's why